Okay, so the next one, let's try, and since we've created the style for the text here, you can see that it is fixed. You can see it's fixed. So basically, if I come here and maybe I let's just say uh, I delete this, then I put this here. Now let me show you what it does when you have actually created a style. It helps you to work very fast when you're working on Figma, when you're working with Figma. Okay, so what you do here is that you type find. Now let me show you how it works. Like, it's so good. So find your daily grocery product. Okay, so we're done typing, right? We're done typing. So watch this now. I want this thing to be like this. So how do we do it? So basically, there is already a style guide we've created here. So if I click here to apply styles, I'll just come to the first one which I created right here. So the ones that I have here are for different projects, that's why they are here, but yours will be empty. So you need to create a new one like we did on the video. So we'll come here, we'll click on this. Voila, everything sets. You don't need to actually edit anything, you just need to arrange it to where you want it to be and you're good to go. You see, very easy, very straightforward. So if you click here, you can actually create a style guide too. You can come here, create a style, which will be description. Let me just say description text. Description text. Okay. Wow, you created a style guide for it. So if you click here, right, and you come here, you want it to be on the description text. See, so basically it is fixed. If I actually put this one now and I click on description text, it's going to change to that text. If I break it and then I come here and I go to description text, see, that's how you do it. Then for buttons, we can come here, click on this, right, click on this, and then we say we want the fill to be, we can create a new style. That, okay, if you want this style to be it, you can create in this file. If you don't have it, you can now come here, create a new style, and then the style, this color will be buttons. Active buttons. So let's just say active buttons. Active buttons. Okay, so we've created a style to be active buttons. You can see how it's working now. Active buttons. And then we'll make sure that the text too is also fixed. Come here, and then we'll make it, add a new style called buttons. Button text. Okay, so right now we have the field for buttons. Okay, so we can click here, so come here, we can apply, yeah, active buttons. Come there, click on this, come here, click here, come here, click on button text. You see, that's how you fix everything. Make sure that the style goes around. You can actually come and check the other ones if there is something missing. So you can actually change this button now without even doing much. You just need to click on this, you can click here, you can make it active buttons. You see, that's the thing about creating a style. You can create a style and then you apply it everywhere. And also you can do it in a way that, okay, let's do the other ones. You can click on this button now, and then I come to stroke, right? I can add a new style on stroke. Okay, so I want it to be that every time there is this button, I can choose maybe I want loading. So I want the properties of that loading, I want it to be okay, yeah. So I want the loading color to be something around this kind of light green. Okay, so I fixed it like that, and then create style. Okay, so you can see I've created the style. Simple. So this is the style now for look at for loading. Then if it's now working, this one will not be the one that's working. So anytime I'm actually you can see that everything now is now being here on the assets. If you go back on the asset, you see that things are changing. You have your 7 components here, and you have your 7 components here, and then your styles are actually here on your right. You can see all your styles are right here, so you can see all of them. You can see you have your local styles, and this is what someone will see when he opens the file. Okay, so if a developer comes to check your work, developer can just be here, and when he opens the file, the first thing he sees on the right is your styles and your color styles, and then on your left, if you click on assets, the person will see your components that you've created. So that is the help of styles and components. Components help you to create multiple frames and effects and things that will actually go from one design to another. Like if I'm designing on that in another field now, and I carry this component to the other field, I can actually have the same thing on that, the same effect that it had here, the same thing on that new file. If I'm working on this style here, all the style can be copied to another place. That's the usefulness of a style and a component. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and you can also try it throughout your workflow. When you're working now, let's see. So we have the text here. Okay, so let's see if a text is not the same size as the other one. So we can actually just come here, click on this, okay, a different random text, and then we'll come here, go to typography, and then we'll say we want it to be in the descriptive text. You see, it increased it, so you can actually use it to fix all round. Okay, so if you have any questions about how to go about it, just let me know. And it's a good thing you actually know how to use the style and the component, because it will help you when you're working hand in hand with developers, because you have to create the style and the components and everything that you're sharing with the developer. So basically, to make them understand what they will do at a point where they are stuck and what they will do next. Okay, so if you have any questions, just let me know, and I will be dropping a task on this, because you need to create some styles for some just one page, a landing page. Okay, that's what you do, a landing page style. So you tell us what will be the header style, or will be the descriptive text, or will be the fill on the button, and yeah, we'll do that. Okay, so I will drop the assignment, I'll drop the task on the Google Drive soon.